A big hello to all my dear students watching this video right now. I hope you are totally safe and healthy at your homes. My name is Saurav. I'm an entrepreneur and the founder and CEO at TechieNest. I will also be one of your trainer in your summer training program. Friends, as we all know, current and past lockdowns have brought the entire education system to a standstill. Students all across the world have no choices but to study from their homes and learn through online lectures provided by college admin or through scattered platforms like YouTube and all. But let me ask you one simple question. Is it the wholesome learning? Are you guys able to master emerging technologies which are so crucial for your career success? I know the answer is big no. Keeping this thing in mind, the need of each and every one of you, I and my entire team have created a comprehensive online training program for you guys. And you won't believe such an amazing work is being done by the entire team sitting in their respective homes. Yes, it's work from home, but no compromise in quality. So first, let me tell you about my experience so far. I also did engineering, and I remember there was no such support like it's possible nowadays through online courses and all. It was possible at that time. I started my career as a developer and shared my learning with the students through delivering some sessions in parallel. And I always loved sharing my knowledge which I have gained so far in various technologies like Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotics, cloud computing, application development, and all that stuff while working on various real time great industry products. And it became my passion of integrating learning with the implementation. And I think applying your ideas to solve big problems with your learning is one of the biggest thing in the world. Now, I know you all must be thinking why to join summer training at TechieNest only when there could be many other options as well. Guys, there are numerous worthy reasons for it. The one biggest one is syllabus and various value added services like doubt solving, project completion help, your validation and various assignment assessments. Let me begin with this syllabus. Our syllabus is highly comprehensive and engaging as it covers not only the boring part of the theory but also practical project for each and every single concept. For example, in AI course, you will be getting 30 exciting projects, which will be helping you mastering typical concepts and their use cases. I know this is very interesting and sounds so much exciting. For more clarity, please download our syllabus from our website and compare it with other platforms which are offering the same kind of services. Trust me, you will be amazed after seeing such a vast difference in the quality in our course. On our highly intuitive platform, I and my entire team are readily available to clear your smallest to smallest and biggest to biggest doubt, no matter what and how many times it come across. Yes, we mean it, guys. We'll also be supporting you in your entire project journey, from guiding to choose the right project as per your skills and interest till its submission in the colleges. Our project team will stand with you at each and every point of time. The second worthy reason is value for money. Yes, we value your money as well. Now comes the pricing point. Guys, in normal times, our training courses are sold for 4x, maybe the 5x amount they currently being offered. So for example, let's take AI course, which is offered for only 6,000 rupees. On the top of it, we are offering an early bird discount of 50%, which brings the entire cost down to 3,000 rupees only. Oh my god, such a low price. Blessing from the god. So please, I request you, don't let go of this golden opportunity. And third, very worthy reason is career benefits. I know each and every one of you want to have a skyrocketing career. But for an awesome career, one needs to have great skills too. What can be better than mastering AI, ML, IoT, Industry 4.0 to kickstart your career journey? So let's start working very hard to crack your dream job or a startup idea that each and every one of you is desperately waiting for. Lastly, to show your training experience and successful project completion, every one of you would be awarded with a separate training certificate, internship certificate that play a very immersive and important role in college and recruitment process. So friends, it's time to wrap up. I hope you all will be supporting our training initiative as a great learning opportunity to educate yourself from the comfort of your home. See you again in the live training session. Bye bye, take care, thank you.